Why did everyone run? Need me, love me, feel me so.
Window has it.
B has no armor. B has no armor. They have smoke. Full smoke.
That's a terrible smoke.
I'm blind. I got him. I'm blind. I'm blind. One more. Oh, you took that? One more flash for him.
Come through. Let's go.
Spawn. Spawn, spawn.
Maybe one more. Maybe
One
one more.
mid still.
Just play there. That's fine. Gary, come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back.
Where? They for you?
Yeah, CT, one CT.
Hands.
Gary had the biggest fucking off hang right there. Oh, someone's movement is.
Seconds are done. I'm blind. I have 20 health.
I'm flashing more Moe.
He does, I want to stay alive. Where?
First on.
Okay, I have 1 health, literally. Oh my god.
New box.
Nice, you're low.
Oh, that guy just baited so hard. Oh, Gary.
No way, one more.
To your right, to your right.
Dude, 64 tickets so fucking awful. 85 and 3 hits.
Oh, one fast boiler. Fast boiler does. Got one right mid. Let's throw it. Nice, keep doing it.
Left side.
Okay, keep going. Watch him. He's still there. Nice, John. Done here, John.
Wait, where'd that
There's
go?
a gun left mid.
Don't worry about the gun. I'm gonna plant. Fuck it. Oh shit.
I had your banana.
I didn't clear pit.
Me neither.
Or halls.
Me neither.
You get the gun.
Moto, man, what the fuck is going on? Where's our team? Wow.
No, 2 health.
Russian. What?
He just runs at me pretty hard.
Easy Sizzin. This is the guy that was talking. Oh, there goes my op, dude. That's fucked up, man. John's going up. We're going around. We're going with John. Shit.
I'm in CT.
Just let them wrap CT one day. I'll hold B, okay?
One's in
Carry
spawn,
hold
John.
lane.
Is he AFK? Are they all AFK, John? Oh my god, how many of them are AFK?
Dog
2.
puking for the win?
One here, John. Spawn. Nice.
He's B.
Like, where be?
Like near pool.
John, are we insane? Did we just fucking... Did we trick
for
him
that one,
by
boys.
doing that? Thank you,
They're
bro.
all in.
3D chest. The best part about that is, John, after you kill those 2, then another guy was trying to flank you, and then I'm just fucking jiggle peeking him as you kill him. Nice.
Arch.
Spawn, arch. Deep in the arch, hit for 50. To the left when you come through arch. He's hit one hit.
I hit him once already, so 2 hits.
Through the wall?
No, literally on his face. I don't know.
No,
what
you
happened.
didn't.
I gave him 78 and 80. I gave him 87 and 2. Go, John. Go spawn. Nice. One might be in B. One more in B.
He smoked.
Spawn, arch. You saw him.
Burnouts.
Oh my god.
Smoke left mid here if you want to pick lane. Smoking left mid now. Only flash mid. Flashing.
Blind as shit. I'm blind as shit.
Where is he?
I should have timed better.
Nice. Where else?
Let's go pit. Trade push.
Go. Is that him in there?
Inside.
Inside. And one's
Better
rushing
one.
mid close to you. And mid close to you.
What?
Oh, look at that call, Mo.
No, I trusted it. Yeah, I
No,
trusted
I know,
the call.
I
Yeah,
know,
yeah.
obviously.
But I'll be okay with 30.
I got you,
Right,
John.
nice.
I got you, John. Don't let you die.
He died.
One mid left side.
Back off. Watching him.
Time.
Smokes.
Oh!
Time bomb. One more. Why? Why did everyone run?
With John.
One spawn already.
Oh,
The right.
Smoke it. It's no.
Flank. The cheater was flanking. Look at that. Beautiful.
Go back.
Yeah. Go back. Match.
Sure. Oh,
Matchman's in.
no.
Matchman's in.
Nice as
Fuck.
fuck.
Where?
I thought we were going.
Where?
Hey, one again, corner. Very corner.
New box.
No! Just listen to the fucking call! Please pay attention!
Second orange.
Am I out?
You're gonna be boosted.
I gotta go. Oh, shit.
Mo respawn spawn.
Nice.
Triple or second. Cheer
Orange.
It's all you, baby. And he's gonna be both B. Last guy B. He's really tight
Shut.
Yeah, I mean, it's
I was
fine.
worried.
He needed his concentration there.
I need my touch. Yep.
You see what I mean?
I just see the.
Yeah.
One
Go
more.
ball, go straight.
Three middle, peeking. Three middle, peeking. Three more. There's four. Boys. 1B. 2B.
I'm back to you.
Oh no, bro! I swear to God, this guy's cheating now.
I know.
I told
He was
him,
fishy as
where's
fuck
that?
with that one round. He killed me.
We're gonna watch this. I'm gonna watch this shit after. Water. Right side water. Still water. Together. Go.
Together.
Nice. Oh my God.
All three ult.
They heard 3 nades B.
Go.
They're gonna jump on all.
Did they molly behind us?
Flashing Mo. Flashing high. I'm flash high. Look down.
He's there. One's at bottom there. One's at bottom stairs. One's
Boiler,
bottom stairs.
one health.
Bottom stairs one. Perfect, John. That's the cheater. I knew it.
Oh my god, man, down jump.
Yeah, I'm backing up, man. No nades.
Stairs. I can't see through that. That might be the cheater, dude.
Oh, Buck, I knew it. Fuck!
He's in smoke. Oh, he was on the
Spawn.
right.
Flash?
Flashing one more now.
I'm bad. I'm
so
bad. I'm bad. Oh my God.
Nice.
Broken.
Flashing one.
Oh no.
He mollied window.
I'm gonna watch it down of it. You wanna watch it down
I'm
of
just
it?
gonna leave you.
I feel like he's gonna peek me from the back of this.
Well, then don't be a pussy.
Got him!
Balls. I did
Nice
50 to
hit the
Juicy.
cheater.
I did 50 to Juicy.
Oh,
all-
One more. Bombs there.
Two bottom.
One more.
Two bottom mid.
Two more here in front of me by medkit.
Yeah, I'm coming. Well, actually.
One T ramp.
I can't believe this! 2. Oh, she can't hear us. Right there. Okay.
Someone's hit.
Nice. One more close right. Nice shot.
I'm gonna go banana.
Nice. Keep. Is there bombs there? He's close. Fuck my life.
One out mid.
I have a
Hold my
smoke,
left.
you
Hold my.
have
I
a
got your
smoke?
T ramp. Okay.
This guy might be cheating, dude. In mid.
Oh, two. Why did I do that? Why? Oh no.
Fuck.
One more close left.
Flashing.
Flashing.
One could go boiler.
I got flashed. Oh, he's there. Bomb's down.
What's guardable? Bomb's guardable, Mike, man.
Bomb's down.
Fucking high spot.
Come back. Little high.
Down the halls, playing back.
I'm flashing one soch.
Send me through it, Max.
Flashing.
Could they be in our spawn?
Damn it, dude.
What are you guys doing?
It's too small.
One mid.
You guys got two
I'm
scope
dead,
guns.
The guy was mid, one T ramp. This is the guy. Careful.
You hit him down.
This is.
No.
I just heard him. I think I heard him.
You have a resmoke.
Keep watching, yeah, keep watching.
You could go
Spawn,
first.
our spawn, I think. Behind you, yeah, just.
Dude, just
Just check behind you, Max.
I'm literally being.
No, it's fine. Just play there. Just play
Are
there.
you gonna
Max.
be like
yeah,
that?
no, it's good. It's good. Just
Watch.
watch banana.
I knew it. Oh, my baby.
Oh my baby.
The things I do for
Throw me
you.
that
Are you
off.
gonna be like that? Like, what are you mad about?
yeah, baby.
Yeah, it's for the win. It's the right play.
Drop John.
But we won.
I dropped the gun.
Where is it?
Yeah, but we
I hate this team, dude. This might be our last one, I think. If I don't rank up with this, actually, even if I rank up, it's my last. If I don't, I'm not playing MM anymore.
So you just stop playing, so you're trying to say.
Throwing fire. Throwing a grenade. Grenade out. Grenade. Throwing smoke. Incendiary.
Spoiler.
So let's just flank.
Flashbang.
No, they sit there and wait for you, man.
Deploying
You're
flashbang.
dead, man.
Yep.
Laying
Yeah.
down.
They're doing a.
One porch.
Throwing fire.
Sick
I'm gonna
moment.
pit.
They know I'm here.
Deploying
Calm down.
One more. Last guy's been lane.
He's led lane.
Yeah, dude. I just watched that whole. Good job. Please, Mo TV. Please, Mo TV. This is your time.
I'm definitely. I just
Come on,
ranked
dude.
up. There's no way I'm ranking up again. That'll be fucking hog champions.
If you rank up again, I'll actually fucking email Valve. That's it? Is that like what do we? When do we get a chance?
Legendary.
Just give me a chance. This is. It's so stupid how this isn't
saying
even
we
like.
have a
It's
chance?
like.